welcome to today's video. So today is day 21 for the Vlogmas series here on my YouTube channel. And also today is episode 18 where we are going to be talking all about eyebrow products. So in 5th place we have a brow powder that I started not to use anymore, but I'm getting back into using it again. This is the Jafra Brow Powder Duo. I have the shade Dark Blonde and it's just a tiny eyebrow powder thing that I have been loving to use those like no makeup days, but again, like I said, I haven't used it in a while and I am starting to use it again and I really do love eyebrow powder. In 4th place we have a little bit of a newer product to me. This is the Maybelline Build-A-Brow Brow Pen. I have the shade Blonde and it is so good. I love this brow pen. I use this more than the NYX one now, but I definitely do want to go back to the NYX one as well because the NYX one is another great eyebrow pen as well. In 3rd place we have a brow gel that is one of my favorites. I do have 2 brow gels in this category that I'm going to be talking about, but this one is so great too. This is the Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue. This is so good. It definitely keeps your brows lasting all day. It's so great. 2nd place we have another brow gel that I have been using for a long time. It is one of my favorites. Again, really does keep your brows lasting all day. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This one is so good and I really do love all of the Benefit like brow packaging stuff. It's really nice. I love it. In 1st place is the Benefit Precicly My Brow Pencil. This brow pencil I've used for a super long time. I love this brow pencil. This was one of the ones that I used when I first started to do makeup and it's just amazing. I love it. Okay, so that was all of my eyebrow products. See you guys tomorrow for day 22 where we are going to be talking all about eyeshadow palettes. Bye!